Hello fellow humans, in this quick tutorial I want to show you how to connect your Samsung phone to a Bluetooth headset if it doesn't automatically connect. This is without using third-party apps which will drain your battery and probably sell your location, data and soul to the dark web. Of course, make sure that your headphone is turned on and Bluetooth is turned on your device. First, go into Settings, Modes and Routines. Go to the tab Routines. Add one by pressing the plus sign in the top right. You see two options, if and then. Press firstly on the plus sign on the if. Select Bluetooth device. Press the blue letters to select the Bluetooth device you'd like to connect. Then select Disconnected and apply. Then at if, press the plus again. Scroll down to the advanced options. Waiting for next action. Input 3 to 5 seconds. When you don't, it will keep looping. Apply/done. Under then, press the plus button again and search for Bluetooth. Connect to Bluetooth device and then select the device you want to connect. Then apply. To prevent the routine from either looping endlessly or stopping after one time, there's one last thing to do. Go into the setting Reverse Actions. Keep the setting Reverse Actions on, but turn off Connect to a Bluetooth device. Save it and name it. And you're done. It should work when you turn on the device. It will automatically connect to the selected Bluetooth device. And thank you for listening and have a good one.